hey, I just recorded this video, but when I clicked record, it didn't record. So so this is a recap for me, but Fade by Alan Walker is that song that every YouTuber uses, and I just want everyone to know that. Like, this information you just don't get. So here it is. You can get royalty-free music, YouTube and Twitch. Okay, it's called Fade. It's called Fade. Okay, pretty awesome, pretty epic. So this is the H320M dual-purpose drawing tablet, as it says right there, son. As it says. Enjoy that fade in the background. So I'm gonna go over this. I'm actually going to show you guys without face revealing myself what it comes with. Okay, so here's my body. You know, weird. So here's the drawing pen. It comes with the stand. You can use it as a blunt weapon if you want to. The pen's pretty nice. It has the two buttons on the side, and if you guys have more money than me, which you probably do, you can just buy one of the ones that have like the eraser on the end and the 5 buttons, and it lights up and it shoots 20mm rounds. It's awesome. Okay, this is $80. Okay, and $80 is all you have to spend to get quality art. And I'll show you guys that in a second. Which I drew a picture that's not even saved. Okay, here's a cloth to wipe off your drawing tablet. Here's the drawing tablet. Go ahead and wipe it off. Show you guys how it functions, because I know you need a little assistance walking through this. Okay, and I'll show you the on the back LCD drawing. It's kind of lame. I draw something cool on it though, like a dragon. Okay, so a quick dragon. Here's an eyeball. Go. Horn. You guys just wait. Don't leave the video yet. Okay, I promise. I'll get to the things that you want to see. This showing you that it works. Okay. So look at my super cute dragon. He's so cute. Look at him. He's like, give me ketamine. He's real cute. Just the cutest little guy. Oh, I put it on backwards. Hold on. How does this go? Okay, it goes like this. Which, actually, you can change the rotation if you want to. My last drop pad didn't offer anything like that. So that's pretty cool that this one does. One more thing. I think the only reason to get this, mainly, is because... Oh, shoot, where did I put it? So, if you have a Type-C phone, there is a Type-C USB to use the tablet on your phone. Okay? And then there's also a USB one for people who don't quite have the newer phones yet. That's perfectly fine. I was able to get a Stylus S4 because it's only $300. And as I said, I am a broke person. Broke reviewer. That's what my channel name should be. But instead it's something stupid. Okay, so that's everything showing it. For right now. There's also the driver. This is the Huion tablet driver interface. Got your digital pen. Check the pressure test. Draw a cute little picture here. What does this look like? I guess it looks like an elephant. Okay, now you got a super cute little elephant. And he's all like, nay! Okay, so as I said, you can rotate this. And that's how it will appear in real life. But I'm going to keep it on 0, because, I'm fine with how it is. I don't need no change. So, I guess the only thing I should show you now is how well does it perform in Krita, a free god tier drawing app. I've never touched Photoshop because, as I said, I am broke. I have no money. We're going to use the 2K resolution of 300 ppi. You use whatever you want. This isn't a video on how to use Krita. If you want that, I'll do it. I will really do it. I promise. Hold on. This isn't Fade. God. I just want to blast this. Okay. No, I won't. I'll have control. Okay. We gotta draw a drawing. Last time I drew a girl, I think I'm going to draw that dragon I drew once before. But better. Okay. Got something neat going on here. Okay, I don't like that. So it does have shortcut keys. The bottom button I've put to undo, and then like boop 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 boop. So just drawing a dragon. You guys might not see it yet. Right now I'm doing the nose. Okay, that's how I do. I draw just whatever first comes to mind. Okay. Okay. Now this is gonna pop like this. Okay. Put some spikes up here. Let's draw an eye. This is way cooler than my last shot. I just drew a stupid girl. It looks sad if I do that. Tilt his eye a little bit, and then I'm going to just bring it across. You're probably wondering why do I use this tool? Because I like it. I like this brush. It's not really a tool, is it? Okay. Alright, got a dragon. Also, some more shortcuts. There's like this little circle in the middle, right? I'll kind of show you guys that. So right here is a little circle. I have made it to where the left and right D-pad on it are rotations, and then the bottom button is undo, the one above that is redo, and it's very good. Very good. You guys have never seen a dragon like this. Okay, hold on. I want his head shape to be weird. I want it to be weird, like with a purpose. So what's over here? An ear? Yeah, I feel like an ear makes sense. Do dragons have ears? There's a dragon person that's gonna watch this. I hope a lot of people watch this and like get entertainment from it, but also learn something. If you're not watching this, that's perfectly fine. You got everything you need, really, from the video. You just want to know what it was, but now I'm just showing you the power of the draw pad and what it can do. This is a cute little dragon. I don't know, it kind of looks weird though. Okay, I'm gonna give him like a fat little thing. Maybe another bump right here. Bump? No. I'm having trouble. I'll be honest, the pressure sensitivity is a little light compared to what I'm used to. Let me give him a horn right. Oh god. Which, I imagine some of you are definitely better artists than I am. So keep that in mind. Like, I have trouble drawing, like, to be honest with you. Okay, use a pen, which actually, there's a button on the mouse to change it. So here's something I could do really quick. You know, I'm not the craziest artist, not like the best. Like, I'm okay, but there's definitely better. Definitely make something very cute, very pig snout dragon. You guys can finish the drawing for me. Just screen cap this and then redo it. Now let's go over some of the bads, okay? Because this isn't perfect. For $80, it's definitely not perfect. Alright. So I'm going to turn this down. Get serious. This sometimes does not work. Sometimes the pressure sensitivity does not work. I'm not trying to draw with these fat, ugly lines. I want the press down, get the thicker line kind of thing. I want the slight touch shading and then deep touch, darker shading kind of stuff. But sometimes I have to restart my whole computer because my computer's just like, I don't know what's going on. And it's just a draw pad. If, like, you leave it plugged in and, like, you wait a little bit, like, my computer probably goes into sleep mode after, like, 15 minutes, so I'm not going to make you wait 15 minutes. Just take my word for it. That sometimes that does happen, and restarting it is what normally fixes it for me. You guys can see when I bought it. So I've been using this since November 6th, and it is November 17th. So I've not been using it very long. But what I have used it for has been pretty good. Like, honestly, you guys see my channel art and my my thing? That's all that. I was gonna show you guys some art, but maybe not, because Got some sensitive content in there for YouTube. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you guys want any tutorials on PC building, video games, modding, how to mess with settings, any of those kind of things, maybe even bike building, I could physically show you how to build a bike. If you guys need anything, just comment and I will provide. I think the next one I'm going to do is maybe a modded video, because I want to do like art, video game, and that kind of arithmetic. So thanks. You guys can complete my drawing, draw your own version of it, if you want to. Only if you really want to, though. And then send it to me via email. My email is, I'll write it out here for you. It's tasty 7 at gmail.com. That's legible. Thanks.